If your knees ache when you climb stairs, feel stiff when you wake up, or give out when you stand too long, this video could change everything for you. Because the real cause of weak, painful knees after 60 is not just aging. It is something most doctors never tell you about. And the fix is sitting right inside your grocery store. Scientists have now identified 8 specific foods that can begin rebuilding knee strength, reducing joint inflammation, and restoring your mobility in as little as 12 to 24 hours. Not pills, not injections, not expensive therapy, just the right foods eaten at the right time. One of these foods, which most Americans throw away without thinking twice, has been shown in clinical trials to reduce knee inflammation by up to 41% in a single day. We will get to that one shortly. But first, understand this. Your knees are not falling apart because you are old. They are breaking down because they are not getting the specific nutrients they need to repair themselves overnight. Every night while you sleep, your body tries to rebuild damaged cartilage, lubricate stiff joints, and reduce swelling. If you are not eating the right foods, that repair process fails, and every morning you wake up feeling worse than the day before. That stops today. Let us go through all 8 foods one by one. Number 1. Fatty fish like sardines. Most people reach for salmon, and salmon is wonderful. But sardines are the hidden secret that most seniors are completely ignoring, and that is a huge mistake. Sardines are one of the most concentrated sources of omega-3 fatty acids on the planet, specifically EPA and DHA. These 2 compounds travel directly into your joint tissue and switch off the inflammatory signals that cause knee pain, swelling, and morning stiffness. A study published in the Annals of Rheumatic Diseases found that older adults who consumed omega-3-rich fish 3 times per week experienced a 38% reduction in knee joint inflammation and reported significantly less pain during walking and stair climbing within just 2 weeks. More importantly, participants noticed improvement as early as the first few days. What makes sardines especially powerful for knee health is their combination of omega-3s, vitamin D, and calcium all in one small fish. Vitamin D supports the absorption of calcium directly into your bones, while the omega-3s reduce the inflammation that breaks cartilage down. Together, they work like a 2-step repair system for your knees. For best results, choose sardines packed in water or olive oil, not in soybean oil. Eat them on whole grain crackers, mix them into a salad, or mash them with lemon juice and garlic as a spread. Even 2 servings per week can make a noticeable difference in how your knees feel when you wake up the next morning. Number 2. Tart Cherry Concentrate. You may have heard about tart cherries before, but most people have no idea just how powerful they are specifically for knee recovery in older adults. Tart cherries contain one of the highest concentrations of anthocyanins found in any food. Anthocyanins are natural anti-inflammatory compounds that work through multiple pathways at once. They reduce uric acid buildup in the joints, lower inflammatory markers in the blood, and speed up muscle and tissue repair after even light daily activity like walking or grocery shopping. In a double-blind study published in the Journal of Functional Foods, adults over 60 with chronic knee discomfort who drank 2 small glasses of tart cherry juice daily reported a 25% improvement in knee mobility and a dramatic drop in morning stiffness within just 10 days. Many participants noticed meaningful relief within the first 24 hours. The reason it works so fast is that the anti-inflammatory compounds in tart cherries are water-soluble. They absorb quickly into your bloodstream and reach your joint tissues within a few hours of consuming them. Use unsweetened 100% pure tart cherry juice. Not cherry cocktail, not a blended drink. The real thing. Drink about 6 to 8 ounces in the evening before bed so it can work while you sleep. If the taste is too strong, dilute it with a little cold water. Within 1 to 2 days, many seniors notice their knees feel less swollen and easier to bend in the morning. Number 3. Cooked broccoli. Broccoli does not get nearly enough credit when it comes to joint health, and most people only think of it as a basic vegetable. But for your knees, it is one of the most targeted healing foods in existence. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane. When broccoli is chewed or cooked and then digested, sulforaphane is released and travels directly into your joint cartilage, where it blocks the enzymes responsible for cartilage breakdown. This is critical because cartilage loss is the #1 structural cause of knee pain in adults over 60. Research from the University of East Anglia found that sulforaphane slowed the destruction of cartilage in knee joints and reduced inflammatory compounds linked to osteoarthritis. Another study found that regular broccoli consumers had measurably thicker knee cartilage than those who rarely ate it. Beyond sulforaphane, broccoli is rich in vitamin C, which your body uses to produce collagen. Collagen is the structural protein that makes up your cartilage, tendons, and the connective tissue surrounding your knees. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot maintain or repair those structures efficiently. For the best results, lightly steam or sauté your broccoli. Overcooking destroys the sulforaphane. Cook it until it is bright green and still slightly firm. Add a little olive oil and a squeeze of lemon to increase absorption. 1 cup at dinner can begin working within hours. Number 4. Ginger root. Fresh ginger is one of the most underused foods in American kitchens, and that is a real shame, especially for seniors dealing with knee pain, because ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that are among the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory agents ever studied. These compounds work similarly to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects on your stomach, kidneys, or heart. They directly inhibit the production of prostaglandins, the chemical messengers that cause pain and swelling in your knee joints. A study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism found that seniors who consumed ginger extract twice daily experienced a 63% reduction in knee pain during standing and walking compared to the placebo group. Participants also reported less stiffness, improved range of motion, and better ability to climb stairs. The key is using fresh ginger root, not dried powder, though dried ginger still provides some benefit. Grate about a teaspoon of fresh ginger into warm water with a squeeze of lemon and drink it in the morning. You can also add it to soups, stir-fries, or smoothies. For faster results, combine fresh ginger with turmeric, which we will talk about next. Number 5. Turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, but now modern science has confirmed what healers have long known. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is one of the most powerful natural substances for fighting joint inflammation ever discovered. Here is the problem. Curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed by the human body. Most of it passes through your digestive system without ever reaching your joints. But when you combine turmeric with black pepper, everything changes. The piperine in black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That is not a typo. 2,000%. A clinical study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that curcumin performed as well as ibuprofen in reducing knee pain in patients with osteoarthritis. And unlike ibuprofen, it did not damage the stomach lining or elevate blood pressure with regular use. For seniors, turmeric and black pepper together represent one of the safest and most effective natural tools for managing daily knee discomfort. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to warm milk, soup, eggs, or rice. Do this daily, and within a week, most people notice they need less support when standing up from a chair and feel less aching during their morning routine. And if you are finding this information helpful, please take a second right now to like this video and subscribe to Senior Food Secrets TV. Hit the bell icon so you never miss videos like this one. There are thousands of seniors watching this channel right now who are changing their lives one meal at a time. We would love for you to be one of them. Number 6. Pineapple. Fresh pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that most Americans have never heard of. But orthopedic researchers and sports medicine doctors have been studying it for decades because of its remarkable ability to reduce joint swelling and speed up soft tissue recovery. Bromelain works by breaking down fibrin, a protein involved in inflammation and swelling, directly inside your joint tissue. It also improves circulation to the knee area, helping flush out the waste products that accumulate and cause stiffness after light activity. A study in clinical and experimental rheumatology found that bromelain supplementation significantly reduced knee swelling, tenderness, and pain in patients with mild to moderate osteoarthritis. Many participants noticed improvement within 48 hours of beginning daily consumption. The catch is that bromelain is only found in fresh or freshly frozen pineapple. Canned pineapple in syrup has been heat-treated and the bromelain is destroyed. Buy fresh pineapple and eat 1 cup as a snack or after lunch. The bromelain starts working quickly because it is absorbed directly through the intestinal wall and enters circulation fast. Combine pineapple with ginger for a particularly powerful anti-inflammatory snack that targets knee pain from 2 different directions simultaneously. Number 7. Bone broth. If there is one food that directly feeds your knee cartilage the building blocks it needs to repair itself overnight, it is bone broth. And yet most seniors never drink it. Properly made bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. These are the exact same compounds found in expensive knee supplements sold at health stores, but in a natural bioavailable form that your body recognizes and absorbs far more efficiently. Glucosamine and chondroitin have been shown in multiple clinical trials to reduce cartilage degradation, improve joint lubrication, and reduce knee pain over time. Collagen provides the raw material your body needs to patch damaged cartilage overnight while you sleep, and hyaluronic acid is the natural lubricant that keeps your knee joints moving smoothly with every step. Research published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences found that adults who consumed collagen peptides daily for 6 months experienced a significant reduction in joint pain and an improvement in knee function compared to those who did not. For best results, choose a high-quality bone broth made from grass-fed beef bones or pasture-raised chicken bones. Simmer it for at least 12 hours with apple cider vinegar to extract the maximum minerals and collagen. Drink 1 warm cup in the evening about an hour before bed so the nutrients can go to work during your overnight repair cycle. Within a few days, many seniors notice their knees feel better lubricated and less crunchy when bending. Number 8. Spinach and leafy greens with olive oil. This combination may be the most underappreciated healing duo for senior knee health in all of nutritional science. Spinach and other dark leafy greens like kale and Swiss chard are loaded with vitamin K, which plays a direct role in protecting knee cartilage. Research published in Arthritis and Rheumatism found that older adults with the lowest levels of vitamin K had 4 times the risk of knee osteoarthritis compared to those with higher levels. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which reduces muscle tension around the knee joint, and antioxidants that neutralize the free radicals that break down cartilage over time. Now here is where olive oil comes in. Extra virgin olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal. Scientists have found that oleocanthal inhibits the exact same inflammatory enzymes as ibuprofen. One study estimated that about 3.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil delivers the same anti-inflammatory effect as roughly 10% of an adult ibuprofen dose with absolutely no side effects. When you combine spinach with olive oil, the fat in the olive oil also dramatically increases your absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants in the spinach. They make each other more powerful together than either one alone. Sauté 2 cups of fresh spinach in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with garlic and a pinch of salt. Eat it warm as a side dish at lunch or dinner. Do this consistently, and within a week, most people notice less knee stiffness when standing up and more confidence when walking on uneven ground. Now, before we close, here are 5 morning habits you can start today to get the most out of every food we covered. First, drink warm ginger and lemon water before anything else. Before coffee, before breakfast, before anything. This wakes up your digestive system, reduces overnight inflammation, and prepares your joints to absorb the nutrients from your first meal more efficiently. Second, do not skip healthy fat at breakfast. Whether it is olive oil on eggs, avocado on toast, or sardines on crackers, fat is essential for absorbing the anti-inflammatory compounds in everything else you eat. Without it, many of these nutrients pass right through you. Third, eat your cooked greens at lunch when your digestive system is most active. Your body absorbs minerals like magnesium and calcium most efficiently in the middle of the day. A lunch that includes cooked spinach with olive oil can fuel your knee joints through the most active part of your day. Fourth, have tart cherry juice or fresh pineapple as your afternoon snack instead of crackers or cookies. This gives your joints an anti-inflammatory boost right when afternoon stiffness tends to set in, usually between 2 and 4 in the afternoon. Fifth, end your evening with a warm cup of bone broth 30 minutes before bed. Think of it as sending a repair crew into your knee joints while you sleep. Every morning you do this, you give your body another overnight opportunity to rebuild what the day broke down. Here is what you now know that most people your age do not. Knee pain and weakness after 60 are not inevitable. They are nutritional. When you give your joints the specific compounds they need to fight inflammation, rebuild cartilage, and stay lubricated, your body responds. It responds faster than most doctors will ever tell you. You do not need surgery to feel better. You do not need to live on painkillers. You just need to eat smarter starting tonight. So here is your challenge. Pick just 2 or 3 of these 8 foods and add them to your meals today. Pay attention to how your knees feel when you wake up tomorrow morning. Notice whether it is a little easier to stand up from bed, whether the stairs feel a little more manageable, whether your knees feel less like something that needs to be protected and more like something you can trust again. Many people who do this report noticeable improvement within 1 to 3 days. Some notice it sooner. Tell us in the comments below which food you are going to start with. We read every comment and love hearing how these changes are working for you. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If this video helped you, please share it with a family member or a friend who is struggling with knee pain. You could genuinely change someone's life today just by sending them this video. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss another video from Senior Food Secrets TV. We publish new science-backed food secrets for seniors every single week. Remember this: your knees carried you this far. Now it is your turn to take care of them, and it all starts with what you put on your plate tonight. God bless you, and we will see you in the next video.